Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you a story called Ikea and the Portal Appearance. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Me and my friend were inside Ikea when we decided to play hide and seek. I was the hider, so while my friend Heidi counted to 20, I decided to hide in the bathtub. While I was hiding, I accidentally fell asleep. 5 minutes after I fell asleep, an announcement was made that the shop, Ikea, was going to close in 5 minutes. 27 minutes later, I woke up with no idea where I was. Then I got a message saying that Heidi was coming to me from a portal she had made. And 7 seconds after I read the message, I saw Heidi coming through a portal. We decided to go to the Ikea play area, even though it was closed. We went in anyways. None of the cameras were working, so we got to the play area without paying and permission. We had so much fun there. We fell asleep there. We woke up and found out there were 10 minutes till the staff arrived. We quickly got to the first floor and hid behind a big statue where the cameras, who just had started working, couldn't see us or the staff of Ikea. Later, customers started filling in Ikea. We joined them without anyone noticing it, including the cameras. We called our stay in Ikea, and the portal appearance. Later on, I wrote a book about it, and you are listening to that book right now! Bye! See you next time. These are some of the signatures I made right there. And today's motto is chill out and see you next time. Bye guys! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!